Hello student. So today we are going to start the topic fraction. All of you must have a bit idea about this, what is fraction, and in previous classes you must have studied. Fraction means how to write a part of a whole. Okay? Means I just show it to you. Many a times you have seen, and I have given you this example. One apple. This is the whole one apple, and if I just cut it half, this is called your half portion and this is also called your half portion. 1 by 2. How we write it? 1 by 2. How many parts are there? There are 2 parts out of 1. Okay? Out of 1 is divided into 2 parts. Means it's a half of it. The upper part, this is how we are writing in a form of a fraction, and when we are talking about the fraction, this upper part, I am talking about this one, is called numerator. This is called numerator, and the down part, that is 2 written here, is called denominator. So the upper part is called numerator and the down part is called denominator. D for down, D for denominator. So you will never forget about this. So this is called fraction. Children, there are many type of fractions. The basic one I just started with. What is this? Major 2 parts I just first discuss with you all. The first one is called, like fraction. And the second one, unlike fraction. So what is the basic difference between these two, like and unlike? I give you with an example, very easy. As you have seen, I have written up 1 by 2. Another fraction, if I am writing it like that, what I have written, you can see. What is the common thing you have noticed here? That every time in the denominator you are getting the same thing. What is this? This is 2. 2 is written here, here, here and here. It means 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 7 by 2, 11 by 2. All are called like fraction because they have the same denominator. So with the help of this, you can also describe me what is unlike fraction. Suppose if I am writing first fraction as 1 by 2, second as I am writing 3 by 4, 7 upon 8 and 11 upon 43. So what you have noticed here, that all the fractions which are having different denominators are called unlike fraction. So this is the second form. Now the next is, when we have like fractions and unlike fractions, we need to learn how to define what is this mixed form of fraction, improper fraction and proper fraction. So now I will tell you about that also. What is a mixed form of fraction? Okay. So now we start. What is mixed form of fraction? I give you one example. Mix means what? Mix means one whole number along with some part of it. So how can I show it with you with example? Very easy. Suppose I have 2, what do you call it? I can give it a roti, 2 rotis, and this I have taken as a half roti. So how can I write this in a form of a fraction? 2 rotis can be written as a whole number 2. And all of you are aware that when I am writing it half, how can I am writing it half roti? We write it like this. 2 roti and half roti. How we say it? We say it 2 whole 1 upon 2. 2 whole. First we say 2 whole 1 upon 2. So this is how we can write mixed form of fraction. Okay. Now conversion of mixed form is also considered. It is helpful when you are solving questions. What is that? Suppose you are operating some operations on that, like addition, subtraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Many more operation can be applied upon. But here in this class only we will study about add and subtract. But when we have mixed form, how we convert it into improper form. Okay, let's study. So here we have, I just write one example. Suppose this time I have written 3 whole 4 upon 5. So how can we write it in a form of an improper fraction? From this 5 multiply to 3. What is this coming here? 15. And here to here you add 4. What is it? When you are adding, you are getting 19. So how to write this mixed form in a form of an improper? Numerator will be 19 and denominator will be the same one, the earlier one, that is 5. 19 upon 5. Let's take second example. This is, I have taken first example, second example. Let's see, I have 3 whole 1 upon 7. How can we say? 7 multiplied by 3. What is it? 21. And we add this 1 into it, will be getting 22. So the numerator is 22 and denominator is what? 7. So this is how you can convert mixed form into improper fraction. Why it is called improper fraction, children? It's the point I can explain it to you. Just consider this example, 19 upon 5. When numerator is greater than the denominator. What is denominator? It is 5. Compare it here. And numerator is given as 19. That is, yes, when you compare, 19 is bigger than 5. It means it's a improper fraction. But suppose if you have something written like this, 5 upon 19. These type of fractions are called proper fraction. These are called proper fractions. So remember, when we have improper fraction, then only for us to convert it into mixed, and then only we can convert mixed into improper. So now I will tell you how can we convert an improper fraction into mixed form. Let's check that. Taking one more new page. So I give you one example. Suppose I have 25 upon 4. Okay. Please identify what kind of fraction is this. Think again, I have just told you. Yes, you compare. You compare and you will get that 25 is greater than 4. 25 is greater than 4 means what is this 25? 25 is kept in a place of numerator and 4 is kept in a place of denominator. When the denominator is smaller than the numerator, these type of fractions are called improper fraction. Now we are learning how to convert improper fraction into mixed form. Very simple. This step will be going into the rough side. I just show it to you, the division, because some of the children are also, they are a little bit confusing when you are doing the division. So I just show it to you how to do that first. You divide it. 4 table you start it and it will be go by 6 times 24. And when you subtract, you will be getting 1. So now you just focus on how can we frame mixed form. Children, whatever is written here will come as a whole part. What is written in a remainder will go in a numerator. From where we are dividing, that's already in the denominator, so we write it like this. So 25 upon 4 is improper fraction. We have converted into mixed form. So this is how we can convert any improper fraction into mixed form. Let's see one more easy. Suppose I have 13 upon 7. So how can you do it? 7 ones are 7. and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 6 as the remainder, and what is in the denominator? 7. So without doing division in your mind, mental maths, you can try upon this. 13 upon 7 also can be written in a form of a mixed form. Okay. In my next video, I will tell you how to add and subtract like fractions, and most difficult is unlike fractions. Unlike means when the denominator is not same. That time little bit more calculation can be done, and we'll be starting LCM method that you have already studied in previous chapter. Thank you.